This is my cattery. Hers a latte. Alright, let's take a walk inside. Some of the cats are loose. Let's see. There is Valentino. There's Shanae and Jewel Baby. Big pillow. Halfway around is carpeting. They let it to scratch. Okay. Got some good tunes on the radio so the kitties can jam. There is Isabella, such a sweetie. Isabella! Isabella! Hey, sweetie. Hey, sweetie. Aren't you so pretty? And Lily. Lily's so pretty. Look at that pretty face. Right. I have 2 6-foot windows so everybody can see outside. And of course now it's night. Here's my little baby. Oh, look at him. He's so cute. Look at that baby. Hey, sweetie. Hey. Oh, look how pretty you are. Oh, you love to play, don't you? He's got a really great coat. Oh. Hey, baby. Right, you just settle down. You want to play with the strap, don't you? Come here. Look at that pretty face. Oh, look at that face. Oh, you wanting to play, aren't you? Come here. Look at that coat. He's so pretty. You want to play with the strap, don't you? Look at the camera. There we are. You love the tummy rub. You love the tummy rub. Oh, he's wanting to play. A minute ago, you was just wanting to be held. Ooh, you're active. Look at your ball. Oh, look how beautiful you are. You are so beautiful and sweet. Oh, I love you. Got it. Come here. Oh, you love to play, don't you? You gonna sleep good tonight. Oh, so pretty. Oh. Alright. You don't like it when we take your toys, do you? Look at that face. Up here. Oh, you like the metallic sparkles, don't you? Yeah. And Jewel likes too. This is his grandmother. This is Jewel. She is a sweet, wonderful baby. Love her. Oh, no, no, no. We don't eat the metallic. Oh, wow. You okay there, dude? Come here. Ah. Where are you going? You're going to hit the cat tree, aren't you? There you are. Ah, you want to play with the toys? Hey, Joe, baby. Hey, baby. You are so cute. Look how cute you are. Oh. Hey, sweetie.